Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker 475 horsepower engine with the brand new dart block for our customer's 1959 Chevy Impala. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Again, we started with a brand new dart block. We have the double roller timing chain in there, Compcams roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Engine block is painted the black with the brass freeze plugs in there. We have the correct oil pan on there. This engine is the one-piece rear main seal engine. We have the 383 black stroker valve covers with a matching air cleaner with the black air filter, washable element. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. We have the aluminum intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for the 59 Chevy Impala, high flow thermostat in there. We have the PCV valve on there, heavy duty Russell PCV valve line, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the GM Performance HEI distributor, so the customer requested. We have the proper SFI automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevrolet here. High torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, black push-in breather. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire, muscle car series fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, inline gas filter all set. Customer wanted the engine lift hooks. We installed the engine lift hooks right here and then diagonally on the other end of the cylinder head. Make it easy to install the engine. We have the polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. This is a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, all set. AC compressor on there, high flow aluminum reverse rotation water pump. Heavy duty 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Saginaw power steering pump on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. We live run the engine for over an hour. We set all the settings for you. We adjust the idle mixer screws so we get the best manifold vacuum reading, set the idle, set the ignition timing with our timing light. It'll all be done for you. Check for leaks. You're going to see a video of your engine running. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Again, everything thoroughly gone over. So when you put the engine in, you have total confidence. You know it's absolutely perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847. You can send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-run business here. We've been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 383 Chevy Stroker, 475 horsepower, the brand new dart block, AFR heads, Compcams, Rollercam, ready to go. Thanks for watching.